and also how you can register for live training. As you can see here, we have a PNR. Only segment 2 remains on it. If I open up the electronic ticket image, you will notice that the first flight is marked as used. In this particular case, we want to go ahead and make a change to the return flight. Let's say the customer has asked for a return on September 17th. I'll pull up availability as normal. And in this particular case, we'll pretend that the customer now wants to leave at 1 o'clock on the return. With the Automated Exchanges app, it really doesn't matter what booking code you choose. You can simply choose any open booking code, as the app will find the lowest fare. At this point in time, I need to clean up my record, so I'm going to cancel the original return flight, number 2. It's not necessary to ER. You can if you know the customer is definitely going to proceed with the change, but it is not necessary. Opening up the Automated Exchange app is simple. We'll go to the Tools menu here and click on Automated Exchanges. It is important to note you have various selections of how you want this priced. In this particular case, we'll leave it as price as Best Buy in the same cabin. In the case of Southwest Airlines, we don't need to worry about excluding economy unbundled fares because that's not a part of their offering. In some cases, you may be exchanging a ticket where the outbound has already been flown. However, it has not yet fallen into history and still appears on the face of the PNR. If that is the case, it would be very important that you uncheck the already flown flight or flights by simply unchecking the box you see here. In this case, of course, this is simply the return flight. I'm going to go ahead and click Continue. The Automated Exchanges app is now figuring out my results, and in this particular case, you can see there is a total add collect of $25 and a penny. I need to add in a received field, and from here, I will press Continue. At this point, we see a message, would we like to rebook and store the fare? Yes. The app is now rebooking segment 2. Next, we see our ticketing modifiers. You would add in any applicable modifiers from the original ticket. At this point, we can issue the exchange now, or we can issue it later. The difference between the two is described in the resources, which I'll get to in just a moment. In this case, I'm going to select Issue Now. We'll see our additional collection screen. Our total add collect in this case is $25 and a penny. The original form of payment was check. It can be changed if necessary. I will click Continue. This message will pop up regardless of if you added ticket modifiers or not. And from here, we can now see that the ticket printing is in progress. Ticket has issued successfully. We can now check our new ticket image by clicking the HTE button. Ticket number 1 is now, is the old ticket. You'll notice that the coupon status for segment 2 is exchanged. Ticket number 2 is now the new ticket with the coupon status of open. You'll also notice the add collect amount of $25 and a penny.